Today we're going through 10 IKEA finds you probably didn't know existed. These IKEA finds are real IKEA gems, so stay with me as we go through all of them. I'm An, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first IKEA hidden gem I have for you is the SJÖMÄRKE Wireless Charger. Now, not many people know about this product, and it's actually such a cool find. This wireless charger can actually be mounted hidden under a tabletop or a shelf, making an easy charging station out of your furniture, which is amazing. It's perfect to mount on a desk, side table, or even a bedside table, and it works through all materials except metal. The charger makes it easy to charge your phone without having to look for sockets and keep track of cables. Just place the phone on the tabletop or shelf exactly above the charger and you're all set. The charger comes with a 6 feet long cable, double-sided adhesive tape for easy mounting, and stickers to mark where on the top side to place your phone. Such a smart product that will make your home that much more functional. The next IKEA hidden gem I have for you is this beautiful bin in grey beige color with a lid. This bin has become so popular all over the internet. It has been all over TikTok and all over Instagram. However, not many people know about it since it's not available in all IKEA stores. But why is this bin such a gem, you might ask? Well, with this bin, you can create a solution for waste storing wherever you like in your home. You can mount one or combine several of them to make a recycling station, which is so smart. These bins are easily mounted on the wall, and the integrated handle makes it super easy to lift the bin out and put it back when it's time to recycle. However, what's even more interesting is that people use this bin for so many different things around the home. My favorite one is to use these as laundry baskets for different types of clothes. I really love how they look when you mount several of them on the wall. They are so lightweight, easy on the eye, and so functional. Loving it and hope they make it in the US IKEA stores too. One of the products I had no idea IKEA sells is this sound absorbing curtain. Now, not only this curtain has so many functions, but it is also so stylish, filters out light, and softens sound caused by everyday activities. How does that work? Well, these curtains are made out of fabric that absorbs sound, which can reduce echo and reverberation in medium and high frequency waves, for example, clattering of dishes or clangor of cutlery. The combination of channel yarn and the special weave construction of the fabric actually makes the curtain sound absorbent. This curtain has been verified according to ISO 354, and it also lowers the general light level and provides great privacy. Plus, these curtains can be used both on a curtain rod or a curtain track, which is amazing. Now, before moving on to our next IKEA gem, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor FORIO and their new generation of LED face masks FAQ 202. I have honestly been so excited to try it out, and after using it for a few weeks, I'm genuinely impressed by the results. The FAQ 202 features 8 different wavelengths, including NIR technology that re-strengthens different layers of the skin and boosts your skin's natural healing process. After using it for 3 to 5 times a week, I've noticed my skin looks smoother and less dull, my fine lines are reducing, my pores look smaller, and the redness I usually have around my nose has definitely calmed down. Not to mention, this LED mask is made with this unique FlexiFit silicone that actually conforms to your face shape for even light coverage. What I absolutely love about it is that it's completely wireless, ultra lightweight, and so comfortable, so you can use it while working or resting anywhere, anytime. Plus, using it is so easy. Just start with a clean, dry face, place the mask on, secure with the headband, and press the button to select your LED treatment. I typically do about 15 minutes while reading my emails. It's honestly perfect for someone busy like me. And the best part is that you can now get 30% off all products, even the ones that might be already on discount, with the discount code MON30 using the link in the description box. The FAQ 202 is rarely on discount, so now it's honestly the best time to try it out, and you don't want to miss this opportunity. Thank you so much to Foreo for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA gems. A new IKEA find that came out in 2025 that's such a gem is this grill pan with non-stick coating. Now, not only this pan is made out of aluminum, which spreads heat evenly and efficiently, but it also has a handle that can be folded down when stored, which is so smart. Pans and pots can take so much space, mainly because of the handles. However, with this pan, you're saving so much space, making organizing the pans much easier. Not to mention, this is such a quality pan overall, and it's suitable for all types of cooktops, including induction. The non-stick coating and the foldable handle make it so easy to use and clean in a flash. Such a gem I can't wait to get for my home. And when we're talking about cooking and foods, I just have to mention one more IKEA gem I love so much, and that is this silicone food cover. IKEA has many food covers, however this one is so functional. It actually acts as a lid for your pans and food containers that you don't have lids for, which is so smart and so practical. This cover fits perfectly on all rectangular containers and pans, and it's stretchable, so it makes it easy to cover up everything. It keeps the contents fresh for longer, plus it's dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Now, a furniture piece that's such a gem and not many people know about is the SMÅGÖRA shelving unit. This shelving unit is actually a part of the kids organization and storage section, but it can be used for storing and displaying so many different things around your home. And the main reason why I think this shelving unit is such a gem is that this is a storage unit that's so similar to the Kallax and the Billy collection, but it comes at only $24.99, which is amazing. You can place it in so many different rooms in your home, from your living room to the bedroom and office, and you can place it both on the floor or hang it on the wall, vertically or horizontally. I just love the ways these shelves can be used around your home for storing and organizing so many things at such a tight budget. And when we're talking about IKEA gems that you can find in the kids section that are actually functional for the whole house, I have to mention one more IKEA find, which is this inflatable lounge chair. Now, you may have seen this one in IKEA stores, but I bet you don't know how functional this lounge chair can be for your home. The amazing thing about this chair is that it can be stored in a small box or in a drawer, and it takes only a few seconds to be inflated using the included pump and make a comfortable lounging chair. Not to mention that when the lounge chair is inflated, you can store it hanging from a hook on the wall by using the loop on the back, so it doesn't take up any floor space, which is so smart. You can easily move it around since it's so lightweight, plus the inside poof is removable, so you can also use it as a side table. Such a smart and versatile product that comes at $79.99. Another amazing IKEA find that's such a gem is also this battery-operated LED spotlight with a clamp. Now, why is this such a gem? Well, not only you can use it both indoors or outdoors, but this one is so simple to mount. You can actually just fix it to a metal surface since the lamp has a magnet on the back. This is such a cool find for outdoor staircase. You can just fix it to a rail or any other metal surface. Plus, it is battery operated, which means there is no need for power supplies and you can place it anywhere you need it. Also, the batteries are so simple to charge since the lamp has a port for a USB-C cable. Plus, you can adjust both the arm and the lamp's head so that the light's distance and angle are perfect. The large switch makes the lamp easy to turn on and off, and all of that coming at a great price point for $24.99. An Ikea gem I actually have in my home is the BONDTOLVAN Alarm clock. Now, this alarm clock has one of the biggest snooze buttons I have ever seen. It's just so convenient to keep on your bedside table or near the bed and make sure you get a nice wake up each morning. I just cannot hide the fact how much I love this snooze button. With a 9-minute snooze function, it's so helpful and so convenient. This alarm clock has such a simple design and looks so minimal and so good, and it can be hung on the wall too. If you don't have a bedside table, it's also easy to power with a micro USB cable, and the illuminated dots all make the clock easier to read from a distance. And the last Ikea gem I have for you today is this shoe organizer. This simple yet so practical shoe storage will actually help you save space in the hallway or in the wardrobe, since the shoes are positioned on top of each other, which is so smart. This is just a perfect solution for small spaces and will fit perfectly even in the narrowest wardrobes. The sturdy metal construction that has 3 different height levels has such a clever design that allows you to neatly store shoes in less space with easy access. Budget, practical, and so smart. And that wraps it up for today. Did you know about these Ikea gems? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars, buddy. Hey. Hey. Where are you? Are you sleepy? Sleepy as always? Can you just wake up for 1 second to say bye to the YouTube fam? Not a chance. Just not a chance. Bye bye, guys.